So like previously we have done many of the videos related to JavaScript, and we have covered up 6 parts of JavaScript videos, or you can say JavaScript tutorial series, which we are covering in parts. So this is our 7th part of our JavaScript series which we are covering, and in this part we will be seeing how to use JavaScript variables, and we will be using this JavaScript variables in project, and I'll be showing you what the project is about and how we will be using these variables in our project. And this video will be also really helpful. Remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to build these amazing projects using JavaScript and many different languages. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit subscribe and also share this video so more people can learn, and hit like on this video, because it gives motivation to me to make more videos like that and do more help for you. So I'll be bringing up more videos like that which will be helping you when you will be moving forward and learning these things. So like I'm telling you, today we are working with variables, and I'll be telling you uh, beginner to advanced variable which we used in JavaScript when we are working with any project, like when we are building any portfolio or website or clone. So we use these amazing variables to build these amazing projects. So we will be using one-to-one variable which we'll be using in this project. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to use JavaScript variables in any project of JavaScript language. So like I've told you, we'll be just building a project of JavaScript tutorial which we are covering, and this is our 7th part in which we'll be seeing how to build this amazing JavaScript, how to use JavaScript variables. And now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to use JavaScript variable. But like I've told you previously on, we will be using project here to build our this to see how to work with JavaScript variables, and we will be working on this project and seeing how we can just use JavaScript variables and how to cover the things using JavaScript variables. It will be not too much difficult for you. It will be easy because we will be covering JavaScript variables and seeing how to just uh, how these things are written here and what are the variables we want to write, and how from the variable what things happened here. So now from our variable here, we will be not opening any text editor. I will be showing all the variables writing in this inspect, because here this is one text editor. In previous video also I've telling you how to write code here. So now today in this video we will be using variables on this right hand side, and I'll be showing you how the variables are working on this blog website. So this is our blog website project we will be using in our variable because we are working project based. So now we will be using this. So here I'll be writing var, which is short form of variables. Then you have to just write var let is equals to 0. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, and you can see it is giving undefined because we have not defined anything in our variable. So here I'll be writing let is equals to 1. So you can see undefined means we have not defined that. So if I write var is equals to 1, then you have to just write here console dot log, then you have to just write here 1. Then move down, you can see it is showing the variable 1 here. So this is the variables you can use here. Many different variables are here. So here if I write variable, then if I just write here this is good, then when you've just done that, here I'll be writing colon, then simply here also colon. Now just you have to write console dot log, then you have to write here var and close this, press enter. You can see it is saying that it is not defined. So here I will be writing var let is equals to 1, then press enter. You can see it is saying let is equals to 1, let is equals to 9. So it will be showing us let is equals to 9. Means variables are the thing which you can use here to define anything like this. So here if I written var is equals to let, so here if you will be writing a tag which should be like console dot log, and then if you write here var means variable, press enter. You can see it will be showing you the error because variables are not defined here. So you can just use these variables like in these all things which you want to use. So here you can use variable like this things, and you can also use variable in many different things, like you can use console.assert tag to just show your variables. So you can see console.assert tag we have written. Now when you written this, here you have to write this is condition like this. Now just you have to close this and press enter. So you can see it is saying this is undefined. So there are many different consoles you can use here. If you want to use console.clear to clear all these things, so you can just do that, press enter. You can see it has cleared all the things, and it is saying that console was cleared because we were using console.clear tag. Now if you will be writing console dot count tag, so it will be just showing the count variables which you will be writing in the bracket. You can see it is showing the ratio of the numbers here down when we are pressing enter. So like this you can use variables, and when you will be writing var let is equals to this is good thing like this, and then you have to close this, press enter. Undefined, we have not defined this thing, so here I'll be writing let is equals to this is good thing. Then you have to write console.log. Then when you've written this, here you have to just take this thing down. So here you can see it is saying that like this, and then you have to write where let is equals to this is good thing. Then you have to just write here console.log, then write here let, then you have to close this and move down. So you can see it is showing this through our variables like this is good thing, because we have just defined this let tag in console.log and let is written here. So it is showing us that we have defined this tag in this console.log tag. Because of that it is showing us this is good thing here in the colon. So this is the thing which I want to show you, and how like this you can use many different variables here, and variables are of many type you can use here. So here you can just use a variable which is called console dot uh, count reset tag. So it will be resetting your counting here. If you want to reset, press enter. You can see count for 6 does not exist. It is saying that because count the for count for 6 is not exist if you want to reset that. So here if you want to create any task, you can create, and you can write here this is a task like this. Now when you've written this, here you have to close this bracket, press enter. You can see it is saying run this, and it has run the command here with the console, and it has also created the task here. So this is the thing which I want to show you, how and like this you can create your own, and you can run your own here task if you want to run. And like this you can just run these all things. These are the basic tags which I want to show you, and like this you can use the things used in JavaScript. Like this were some of the variables things or variable syntax and tags which I have shown you, which you can use in JavaScript. So variables are like this, and by using variables you can build these amazing things like we have built here. This is the project with the help of variables. It is running, you can see this. So like this you can use variables to define these all things and to build these projects. So this was our project in which we have learned about variables, and I hope you enjoy how we have just run basic of variables. And now moving forward I'll be also just showing you how to build projects using these amazing JavaScript tools which we are learning. That will be helpful for you, and you will be learning things from that video also. So just we'll be meeting in next videos with more amazing tutorials and more amazing parts of JavaScript tutorial with other more languages. So for today, goodbye.